Right, so we're gonna start off with the brush. Now this brush, oh my god, this is gonna be hard. It mirrored. Yo, I gotta ask my sister if she has a mirror. Always remember to bring your makeup mirror, of course. I just do this so you look more dirty, eh? Oh, this is Smurf one? I'm gonna do the one I always do. Sage? Life is sage. Deal with it, sir. Right. Also, make sure you gotta use setting powder, right? Let's go see if I have the... Oh, this is the... Almost empty. Bro, I'm shaking. I'm so hungry at the same time. Hey, Oakley, thanks for 700. Goddamn legend.
Yeah, I woke up at the perfect time.
You did, sir. Right. This stuff, don't ever breathe it in, alright? You'll die. So I always do the one side solid, the other side I don't do solid. And I'll just use your finger. That big whiff. Burger sugar. Obviously make it like look a little bit shitty, you know, like make it look like you fucked it up a bit. It's supposed to be war paint. I see so many people that do this and then they do it way too complicated. No, they do it way too perfect. Like it's not supposed to be perfect. I just need to concentrate a bit, so I'll be a bit quiet. Oh shit, that shit's zoomed in. So I use my eyebrows as guidance. So what I do is we just follow the brows, fill them in. Go a little over. Remember, it's war paint, not... It's not supposed to be perfect. And then go straight down here. And then here, you just go to this. Yeah, well, obviously it is makeup, but like what I mean is like, you know, when people do war paint that I've seen, they always do it too perfect. Anna, are you alive? No, I'm preparing for death. Anna, I showed the trailer of the Netflix thing you're in yesterday. They all freaked out. Then we use the setting powder. Now, this powder is the last thing you ever want to breathe into your nose, because listen, it hurts. I use quite a lot on my eyelids so that yeah, that's why, so that it's so it doesn't coagulate or whatever. And since it's SFX cream, I use a lot. Right, and then you do the same on the other one. You know what we're doing, chat? We're preparing for Valhalla. Because I'm gonna be dead after this subathon is over. And then some of this. You know, jam that shit in there. You don't really need to jam it though. I'm just being extra. And then use that. Make them sharp. Sir, I'm done. Vim Zulabim. Slap these on. And then close this.